अमिताभ बच्चन का जब यंगर वर्जन दिखाना था, उसको डीएज करना था, ठीक है?
Right.
तो वो एआई की मदद से हुआ।
Right. And tell me, do you believe AI can enhance creativity, or does it risk replacing human imagination?
Human is required. I am not saying that human का need नहीं है, because AI lack creativity, emotions creativity. Okay.
Yes.
Film making एक emotion को capture करना है. This is our website. Okay. We have so many things. We have an AI hub, AI apps that can help in multiple things in filmmaking, in film production. Okay. कभी-कभी आपको entire script आपको तेलुगु में convert करना है, ठीक है?
Okay.
So you can convert the entire script into Telugu. So जो Studiovity का स्क्रीन राइटिंग प्लान है, that's only cost currently 200 rupees per month.
Which is less than a tea, like.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to What the Filmmaking. సో ఈ వీడియోలో నేను ఏఐ స్క్రీన్ రైటింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ స్టూడియోవిటీ CEO అక్షయ్ జైన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేశాను. సో ఈ యొక్క సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వచ్చేసి మన స్క్రీన్ రైటర్స్కి కావచ్చు, డైరెక్టర్స్కి కావచ్చు, అలాగే ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్ కావచ్చు చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇందులో ఉన్న హైలైట్స్ ఏంటి, ఇందులో ఉన్న స్పెషల్స్ ఏంటి, ఫీచర్స్ ఏంటియో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మేము ఈ యొక్క వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. అలాగే ఏఐ ఏ రకంగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనేది కూడా ఈ వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసాం. సో చివరి వరకు చూడడం మర్చిపోకండి. అలాగే ఈ యొక్క సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని ట్రై చేయండి. కింద నేను డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో దీని యొక్క లింక్ ఉంటుంది, ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో మీరు దీని యొక్క ఫీచర్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్దాం.
సో బ్రదర్ చెప్పండి, లైక్ ఒక 5 years తర్వాత మనకు ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది? హౌ డు యూ సీ ఏఐ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మింగ్ ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ 5 years? Go ahead.
Yeah. So Stephen, right now what is happening in in filmmaking is like AI is used heavily to save costs. Not only it save cost, but it is also saving the time. Like आपने सुना होगा कि बीच-बीच में आया था कि फेस स्वैपिंग, ठीक है? Around 1 year or 2 year back आया था डीप फेक. Okay.
Yes, brother.
फेस स्वैपिंग. तो नाउ क्या हो रहा है कि स्वैपिंग जो है एक टेक्नोलॉजी, ठीक है, उसकी मदद से क्या हो रहा है कि अब बहुत अच्छे CGI जो इफेक्ट है वो डायरेक्टली फेस स्वैपिंग टेक्निक से अप्लाई हो जा रहा है, ठीक है? एंड वो जो क्लैरिटी, जो SD बोलते हैं, क्लैरिटी जिसको बोलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेवल फॉर द बिग स्क्रीन. ओके. सो विद द एडवांसमेंट इन GPU एंड ऑल, ओके, एंड जो ट्रेनिंग डेटा है उसके ऊपर ट्रेन करके अब नेक्स्ट लेवल पे वो सब चीजें डाउन द लाइन आने लगेंगी, ठीक है? सेकंड इज लाइक वेयर AI इज डूइंग गुड इज इन डबिंग. आपने वॉइस क्लोनिंग का सुना होगा, ठीक है? तो आपने अपना पूरा का पूरा 1 घंटे का पॉडकास्ट दे दिया, ठीक है? लेट्स से मी एंड यू आर डूइंग, ओके, सो AI कैन जनरेट द एंटायर पॉडकास्ट स्क्रिप्ट आफ्टर यू अप्रूव. वो आपके ही आवाज में एक पूरा का पूरा काइंड ऑफ एक इंटरेक्टिव चीजें दे देगा, ठीक है? एंड अदर पीपल, मतलब उसको समझने में भी मुश्किल होगी कि ये एक्चुअल में स्टीवन और अक्षय, क्योंकि क्लैरिटी है ना वो भी काफी सही रहेगी, ठीक है? कई बार होता है कि हम पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में हमने बहुत सारी मिस्टेक कर दी होती है, ठीक है, मतलब सॉरी प्रोडक्शन के टाइम में, है ना? फिर पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में जाते हैं तो वो सब चीजें को फिर से सही करने के लिए हम प्रोडक्शन शूटिंग करना पड़ता है. नाउ विद द एडवेंट ऑफ AI, आप आवाज में कोई शब्द है, कोई चीजें हैं, लेट्स से आपने रिलीज कर दी, ठीक है, एंड मूवी के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ने रेगुलेशन लगा दिया, लेट्स से, ठीक है? तो अब वो AI की मदद से यू कैन चेंज द एस्पेक्ट एंड द नेक्स्ट डे यू कैन सी दोस थिंग्स. आप समझ रहे हैं? तो वो सब चीजें है ना AI कर रहा है, ठीक है? और उसमें जो नेक्स्ट जेन लेवल की चीजें है ना वो आएंगी, ठीक है? लाइक आपने गूगल का VO सुना होगा, ठीक है? तो गूगल का VO कैन जनरेट 5 to 10 सेकेंड, एंड उसके बाद उसका नेक्स्ट जो सीन है उसको आप प्रॉम्प्ट देंगे ना तो वो नेक्स्ट सीन भी जनरेट कर देगा, ओके? लेकिन अभी वो एक फाउंडेशनल मॉडल है. This foundational model will be integrated with so many software, so that it will be used as a plugin.
Okay, wow. Oh, nice,
like
nice.
in Adobe Premiere Pro or like
Right,
Final
right, right.
Cut Pro and all, and we can see different model. You can change the model, and people have their whole studio, AI studio
Mm.
in their laptop, and they can work.
Yes, yes.
So
For all the
this is
B-rolls, we
the
can just we can generate all the videos from the
yeah
B-roll.
yeah generate the video. तो
Yes,
वो
yes, yes.
सब चीजें हो रही हैं, मतलब
Uh,
नाउ इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म मेकिंग पहले जो बोलते थे ना इज वेरी हार्ड. Now
yeah,
it's not. You just know what are the tools, what are the application where you can use those things to leverage and to streamline the workflow. It's even
యా
simpler.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు కొత్తగా స్టార్ట్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఒక ఏఐ తోని ఒక మినిమల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ తోని ఏ రకంగా స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు మీరేమనుకో అంటే ఏమేమి వేస్ ఉన్నాయి స్టార్ట్ చేయడానికి సో బ్రదర్ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఆర్ సమ్ ప్రాక్టికల్ వేస్ ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్స్ కెన్ యూస్ ఏఐ టుడే ఈవెన్ విత్ మినిమల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్
Yeah, sure. So first thing कि right, मूवी जो बनती है वो एक कॉन्सेप्ट से बनती है, ठीक है. एंड
या
कॉन्सेप्ट में अभी आपको एक फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट बनाना है, ठीक है.
ఓకే
तो
ఓకే
उसमें स्क्रिप्ट की डॉक्टरिंग लगती है, ठीक है. तो नाउ पीपल आर यूजिंग जीपीटीज, चैट जीपीटी, डीप सीक, दे ऑल आर फ्री,
యా
है ना.
యా
राइट, स्टूडियोविटी भी हम लोग का प्लेटफॉर्म है. अप टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट यू कैन डू द स्क्रिप्ट डॉक्टरिंग देयर, and it will
వావ్
translate your script ideas, give you suggestions. तो एक
ఓకే
आपको मतलब आप फ्रंट फुट पे खेल सकते हैं कि आपका जो बोलते नहीं है कि पंच लाइन देना है, चीजें देना है.
రైట్ రైట్
So one can
రైట్
start from the concept. Now second comes is getting the investment. Okay,
రైట్
because you have the concept ready. Now getting the investment के लिए क्या चाहिए, एक पिच बाइबल चाहिए, ठीक है. आप
రైట్
पिच कर रहे हो कि
यस
काल की जैसी मूवी, बड़ी मूवी आपको समझाना है, ठीक है.
या
एंड
या
दिस इज अ
या
ब्लॉकबस्टर. or let's
यस
say you wanted to pitch this Bahubali movie and this entire budget. Okay, so it's very hard to convince people के मुझे 300 से 400 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है ना.
यस
पीपल
राइट
हाउ विल दे कन्वेंस, है ना. तो एक पिच बाइबल जो बनाते हैं एआई स्टोरी बोर्डिंग की मदद से, ठीक है. स्टूडियोविटी कैन इवन डू वन ऑसम थिंग कि आप कैरेक्टर का नाम बता देंगे, ठीक है. तो उस
ओके
कैरेक्टर को कंसिस्टेंसी में लेके वो एक आपकी पूरा स्टोरी बोर्ड जनरेट कर देता
Oh wow.
है ना. एंड दैट कैन बी यूज एज अ पिच बाइबल, ठीक है. तो
So
आप
possible. Yes.
एक्टर्स को पिच कर सकते हो, प्रभास को पिच करना है आपको, डायरेक्टर को पिच करना है. यू हैव टू पिच टू एंटायर स्टेक होल्डर. ओके, सो दैट कैन बी डन. ओके, then this all the planning phase that we do is the crux of it. In the next time, when you are doing the production, you do mistake.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
you wanted
Yep.
to dub it into multiple language. Okay,
Yes.
now people don't have that much budget. Okay, with
Yeah.
AI
Yeah.
it can generate the clone version into different language.
Okay.
Or
Okay.
let's say
Yeah.
you
Right.
wanted to do the subtitling. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, so subtitle is an important part and that can be done with an AI. Okay,
Yeah.
and then human is required. I am not saying that human का need नहीं है, because AI lack creativity, emotions,
Yes. Sir.
creativity. Okay,
Yes.
फिल्म मेकिंग एक एक इमोशन को कैप्चर करना है.
Right. 100%.
जितना अच्छे से इमोशन कैप्चर होगा ना उतना अच्छा फिल्म रहेगा, ठीक है.
Right.
तो वो
Yeah.
लैक करता है, बट इट कैन ऐड सब्सटेंशियली things into cost cutting.
Right.
So there are multiple things that people should explore. And now in Bollywood and Hollywood, people are using AI to the next level. Even we are shooting around 4 to 5 short films. Okay,
Yes. Yes. Okay.
and we are leveraging AI to the next level. And when this project will be out, we will be showing how we did the pre-production, production, and post-production, and what tool we have leveraged in AI. So yeah,
Oh, super.
that's the way
Nice.
we are doing it. Yeah.
Awesome. And also, I have recently have read somewhere in Netflix also used the AI in their series, The Eternal.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even one movie goes to Oscar, and they have used AI. So AI is like, AI becomes a new thing that, people, if not using, then they are having a fear of missing out.
100%, 100%. Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
It's like,
maybe not.
it's like a computer in the early days.
Yeah, computer in the early days.
Early
Yeah.
days. Right, right. AI మన క్రియేటివిటీని పెంచుతుందా, లేదంటే ఇది హ్యూమన్ ని రిప్లేస్ చేసే రోజు కూడా వస్తుందా? And tell me, do you believe AI can enhance creativity, or does it risk replacing human imagination?
So इंसान की जो क्रिएटिविटी है ना, वो एंडलेस है.
Yeah.
It comes with an endless possibility. Okay.
Yes.
Our
Yeah.
though our mind looks like, very small. Okay, in comparison with that big machines. Okay,
Yes.
but
Yeah.
it has that power that it have, crossed many civilizations.
Right. Right.
Okay,
100%. Yes. Yes.
it knows, like, what to use, where to use, and how to use. So AI is one thing that is like, it's question like, is AI can replace the motors vehicle with, bullock cart.
Hmm.
Okay, so there was a time, motor vehicle came. Okay,
Right. Right. Yeah.
and लोगों को लगा कि ड्राइवर रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. ठीक है.
Hmm.
So it's like a shift where we are moving from, one delta, okay, to the next delta, where we are
Right.
increasing the productivity.
Yes.
But
Yes.
humans imaginations and creativity, each and everything is next level. Okay,
Right. Right.
so that's not, I think that it gonna do it, but yeah,
Yeah.
people will gonna adapt it very fast, and it's become a part
Right.
of their life.
ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ లైక్ AI వల్ల టైం కానీ మనీ కానీ, అలాగే మనకు ఫిలిం ప్రాజెక్ట్ చాలా హెల్ప్ అయిన ఏదైనా ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంటే షేర్ చేయగలుగుతారా? So brother, can you share a powerful example where AI saved time, money, or boosted storytelling in a film project?
मैं आपको दो तीन रिसेंट एग्जांपल देता हूँ. ठीक है.
Okay.
अभी तो
Sure.
हमारा एक जर्मन कंपनी है. ठीक है, प्रोडक्शन हाउस है. ठीक है, दे
Okay.
आर यूजिंग स्टूडियोविटी, एंड उनको असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर जो होते हैं, इंटर्न एडीज होते हैं. ठीक है, दे डोंट नीड इट, क्योंकि अभी क्या होता है कि एआई स्क्रिप्ट ब्रेकडाउन है ना, स्टूडियोविटी कर देता है. ठीक है, जस्ट इट
Okay.
प्रोवाइड यू एन असिस्टेंट एंड पावरफुल टूल के इट कैन हेल्प देम. ओके, एंड
Super.
जो
Okay.
चीजें एक महीने, 1 मंथ का टाइम लगता था, ओके, दे कैन डू दैट थिंग विद इन अ डे.
Oh wow.
ओके, सो प्री प्लानिंग है ना, एक क्रूशियल पार्ट होता था, जिसमें मंथ्स ऑन मंथ्स ऑफ टाइम लगता था. ओके, दैट्स
Yeah.
AI is helping to the next level. With Studiovity, I can show you
Yeah, bro,
somewhere,
correct.
yeah. Coming on the, production and the post production part, आपने काल की मूवी देखी होगी, काल की
Right. Yeah.
2898 AD.
Yeah.
ओके,
Yeah.
उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन का जब यंगर वर्जन दिखाना था, उसको डीएज करना था. ठीक है,
Right.
तो वो
Right.
एआई की
Yes.
मदद से हुआ. ठीक है.
Yeah.
तमिल की
Yes.
मूवी गोट, जो कि काफी
Right.
फेमस मूवी
Yeah.
है. ठीक है, उसमें
Right. Right.
अ, उसमें अपने एक्टर और पॉलिटिशियन विजयकांत हैं. ठीक है,
Oh.
उसमें उनका एआई वर्जन यूज किया गया है. ठीक.
Right.
और ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब आपको मैं और भी एग्जांपल बताता हूँ, जैसे कि एक तमिल फिल्म है कंगुआ. ओके,
Kangwa. Right. Right.
उसमें
Yes.
उसमें 8 लैंग्वेज में डब किया गया. ठीक है,
Right.
एआई
Right.
की
Oh,
मदद
yeah.
से. ठीक है,
Yes. Yes.
सो
Yeah.
एआई इज हेल्पिंग, इन मैनी एरिया. ओके,
Right.
एडिटिंग में भी, सीन्स की लाइनअप बनाने में भी, जो पहले 2-3 दिन लगते थे, अब वो एआई की मदद से ओवरनाइट हो जाते हैं.
Right.
Just
Right.
people know the things, where we can go to the next level. है
Even
ना.
the podcast, have you seen Autopod? AI.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
editing
yeah.
the podcast in just a minute. The rough cut, a 1 hour rough, duration podcast. It's editing in a minute.
Even I
Yeah.
have seen, I have used some platform where you give the entire podcast, okay, and it will create a reel out of it.
Oh, cool. Super.
So you don't have to find कि कहाँ पे चीजें हैं. ठीक है। अभी
Yeah.
अभी है शॉर्ट फिल्म, ठीक है, सन्स स्प्रिंग,
Okay.
ओके, दैट इज
Mm-hmm.
स्क्रिप्टेड बाय एआई एंड
Yeah,
इट
yeah,
बिकम
right.
सेंसेशनल।
Right,
हॉलीवुड
right,
में
right.
अलग लेवल पे एआई को यूज हो रहा है, ठीक है, एंड कभी कभी
Right.
मतलब इवन काफी विवाद भी हो रहा है, ठीक है, कॉपीराइट
Mm-hmm.
क्लेम से लेके और अनइथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस को लेके, तो वो भी
Yeah, yeah.
पॉइंट ऑफ कंसर्न है दैट वी विल टॉक
Okay.
समवेयर लेटर, बट एआई इज गोइंग नेक्स्ट लेवल।
Yes, bro, it's gone crazy. Yeah. Yeah, bro. ఇప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ రైటర్స్ కావచ్చు లేదంటే ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్స్ కావచ్చు, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఏఐ ఇంత ర్యాపిడ్గా పెరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి వీళ్ళు ఏ రకంగా ప్రిపేర్ కావచ్చు, దీన్ని ఏ రకంగా అడ్వాంటేజ్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో బ్రదర్ టెల్ మీ హౌ షుడ్ యంగ్ ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్స్ అండ్ రైటర్స్ పొజిషన్ దెమ్సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ఎ వరల్డ్ వేర్ ఏఐ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్ సో ర్యాపిడ్లీ
सो इसी थिंग इफ आई टेल यू अबाउट कि एक होता है कि पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होना है, ठीक है, लाइक
Yeah.
and then there is a process where incremental changes are coming, okay. So
Okay.
once people get to know the use case कि AI can generate the text, okay, AI can generate the image, AI can generate the videos, and they
Yeah.
learn the practice of it, okay. So अब इसमें इंक्रीमेंटल चेंजेस आ रहा है, अब इसमें काइंड ऑफ परमुटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन आ रहा है,
Yeah, right.
आप समझ रहे हो, है ना?
Yes, bro.
तो
Yeah.
हम जो सोच रहे हैं कि एआई से रील बन जाए, पॉडकास्ट क्रिएट हो जाए, वो सब प्लेटफॉर्म आर अवेलेबल,
Right.
जस्ट पीपल हैव टू सर्च कि मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बनाना है एआई से, एआई के द्वारा स्क्रीन राइटिंग करना, यू विल गेट द टूल नेम स्टूडियोविटी एआई फॉर स्क्रीन राइटिंग। आपको ब्रेक डाउन करना, स्टोरी बोर्डिंग करना, प्री प्लानिंग करना पूरा का पूरा मूवी का, इट विल गिव, देन यू विल मूव टू द प्रोडक्शन। प्रोडक्शन में एक एआई का टूल है, ठीक है, जो आपको बता देगा कि अगर आपका कैमरा मतलब इस एरिया में शूटिंग करना है तो कितनी लाइटिंग लगेगी, कहाँ कहाँ पे लाइटिंग लगेगी, कौन सी लाइटिंग
Wow.
लगेगी, ठीक है। तो वो
Okay.
प्रोडक्शन के टाइम पे भी चीज़ों में हेल्प कर रहा है, ठीक है।
Mm.
And then in the
Super.
post production we already talk about so much AI tools, okay, like
Yes, yes,
in
yeah.
the CGI and all. So
Right.
just people have to explore, okay. Even young generation have that technology instinct, क्योंकि they come with a mobile, they born with a
Right, right.
mobile, they
Yes,
without
yes, yes.
call
That's the
they
reason.
born,
Yes.
so they are very
Yes.
adaptive, they are very
Yes.
fast in learning the technology, just they have to think how can I leverage it to go to the next level.
మీరు ఒక స్టూడియో పెట్టి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సీఈఓగా ఉన్నారు కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు లైక్ ఒక స్క్రీన్ ప్లే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ నుంచి ఒక ఫైనల్ డ్రాఫ్ట్కి ఏ రకంగా యూజ్ అవుతుంది, అలాగే మీ దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఏఏ ఫీచర్స్ ఏంటి ఒకసారి చెప్పండి. వాట్ రోల్ డూ యూ సీ ఏఐ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ స్క్రీన్ ప్లేస్ ఫ్రమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ టు ఫైనల్ డ్రాఫ్ట్, అండ్ ఆల్సో టెల్ మీ ద ఫీచర్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ద స్టూడియోబిటీ.
Yeah, sure. So let me present my screen. Okay, and this is our website. Okay, where
Okay.
we help with so many things. We have an AI hub, AI apps that can help in multiple thing in filmmaking and film production. Okay,
Super, super.
and if we log in, okay, then person can log in and they can have their dashboard where they can see these multiple projects they can manage, like they can manage ads project, web series, or ads, different project. I will open the Spider-Man project, okay.
Okay.
So here you can see multiple AI apps, okay, which is helping not only in screenwriting but in assistant that AI ads for generating storyboard using AI, scheduling, each and everything. There are multiple automation and we did,
So
but
it's not only a
in a
screenwriting software, but also the
yeah, it's a complete pre-production software,
complete
pre-planning
pre-production software.
software.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, let me open one script of Spider-Man. Many of it have watched it. Okay,
Yes, brother. Yeah.
so here on the left side, they have their all the scenes. Okay, people can write their scenes. Okay,
Okay.
and this is an area where
Yeah.
editor is there. Here there are
Mm.
multiple versions where they can write in an entire you know this format or a scenes format. They have this you know
Full, full
mode
screen.
where
Yeah.
फुल स्क्रीन मोड, जहाँ पे हम डेविएट ना हो, or notifications and
Kind
all.
of
So
focus
it's like
mode.
a focus mode.
Right. Right.
And then there is a notes option where they can tag the notes. There is an
Mm-hmm.
index card where people can rearrange the
They can
scenes.
shift. Okay.
Okay.
Super.
And then there is a beat board which you are
Yeah.
talking about, कि मूवी का क्या कैसे बनना है. तो this is like set the film rules.
Hmm.
Okay, like
Yeah.
opening image कैसे होगी, and then you can add those scenes in the opening image. Setup में
Super.
क्या क्या होगा, catalytics. So there are multiple templates of beatboard, 3 act
Okay.
structure, save the cat.
Yeah.
And here AI can help you in helping with the film rules. So एक
Super.
एक दो common example मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Let's say
Okay.
are you an Spider-Man girlfriend, or
Mm-hmm.
like say you are just a kid. Okay, let's
Yeah.
say I wanted to change the tone,
Mm-hmm.
or I just wanted to change it into an English language. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
then write it in the English.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will give a multiple version
Mm-hmm.
of
Oh
this.
wow.
तू बच्चा तो है क्या,
Oh
और कितना छोटा
wow.
है तू. So if
Super.
I just
Super.
click,
Awesome.
if I click here, or if I want more suggestion, I
Uh-huh.
can just do it. Not only that,
Okay.
मतलब कभी कभी आपको एंटायर स्क्रिप्ट आपको तेलुगु में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So you can convert the entire script into Telugu. Okay,
Are, are.
so this is like Telugu, Tamil, and then there are multiple things like here if I tell you he hit me, I just want
Hmm.
कि इसका जो टोन है
Mm-hmm.
वो मोर कॉन्फिडेंट रखना है, ठीक है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
देन इट
Just
कैन
checking.
गिव अ सजेशन. ओके,
Okay. Wow. Super. Bro,
पंच
super.
पंच लाइन देना
Love it.
है, वो देना है.
Yeah. 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 Okay.
सो ब्रदर, जो डायरेक्ट डायलॉग डॉक्टरिंग की जरूरत पड़ती थी, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm. Yes.
जो ब्लैकआउट हो जाता था, राइटर्स
Mm.
रूम का जरूरत पड़ता था. नाउ एआई कैन असिस्ट यू इन नाइट, डे, 24 hours.
Yes, brother. Yeah.
Okay, and then
They're
there is
also
an
giving so many options. I love that. Brother, the option giving so
yeah,
many options to choose.
yeah, they have multiple: improve writing, grammar, tone, formality,
Super, super.
length, if they wanted to increase the length,
Even the
everything is
length.
there.
Wow, that's super, brother.
Yeah, so if I wanted to put it in the medium form, I can
Mm-hmm.
have this. Sometimes this is very
Okay.
important when we do dubbing, like lip
Mm-hmm.
sync and all, different
Yeah.
language. So it's really helpful.
Right, right. 100%.
फिर इसमें हमारे पास जो डाउनलोड का ऑप्शन है, ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
सर्च एंड रिप्लेस डाउनलोड. यहाँ पे भी हमारा मतलब डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट में निकाल सकते हैं. फाइनल ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मेट में, टेक्स्ट, पीडीएफ, if you want scene number, title, header, if you wanted to use
Even the
watermark
watermark.
to,
Oh, nice.
yeah. And in the title also you can add your if your screenplay is registered, you can add your registration
Registration
number
right
so
number.
that you can protect your work.
Super, super. Nice.
So yeah, there are multiple options,
Cool,
Stephen.
cool. Super, bro,
I think
super.
I have answered your question, but if people are going to use, they can leverage AI, like they can entirely translate the script
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
into different
Can tell
language.
me, how
Yeah,
can they use like AI from from the initial idea to the final draft.
I told you, like human की creativity limitless है. Okay, it's like
Yeah.
you have to give the prompt. Okay, so the way I show you the film rule in the beat board. Okay, you have
Mm-hmm.
to set the rules, and then AI will generate the content. Human will always be an architecture.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Right.
and then
Okay.
AI will work as a worker. So that's where
Yeah, bro.
Studiovity is assistant.
Mm.
Not sometimes people feel that AI replace करेगा. नहीं, आपको architect बनना है.
Right,
That's
right,
what
right.
I think.
మనకు మన స్టోరీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలంటే వేరే వాళ్ళకు చాలా కష్టంగానే ఉంటుంది. సో అంటే ఒక ఏఐ మన పిచ్ బైబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయగలుగుతుందా, అది ఏ రకంగా మన ఫిల్మ్ మేకర్స్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది? సో బ్రదర్ టెల్ మీ, పిచ్చింగ్ ఏ ఫిల్మ్ ఐడియా టు స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్ కెన్ బి ఎగ్జాస్టింగ్,
Yeah.
కెన్ ఏఐ really help by creating a pitch bible for the film?
एक्चुअली जब हम पिच करने जाते हैं तो उन्हें क्या चाहिए? दे वांट अ वन लॉग लाइन, दे वांट द एग्जीक्यूटिव समरी ऑफ द स्क्रीन प्ले, and
Yeah,
they want a pitch bible, okay, where they
right.
can see how the progression will look like.
Mhm.
This all can be done with AI. It will
Yes.
create a multiple version of log line, okay. So like आपके पास स्टूडियोविटी में स्क्रीन प्ले
Yeah,
है
but
ही,
for
okay.
those you don't know pitch bible, can you explain this?
Yeah, yeah, I'll show it, okay. So pitch
Okay.
bible is more of a kind of storyboard with slides. So let me show you with short list and storyboard feature of Studiovity, okay.
Okay.
This is very interesting feature, okay. If I wanted to show the final output, how would it look like, you just go and you click on presentation view.
Arey,
Now they
wow.
can present how would it look like,
Super,
and
super.
this is
Oh, cool.
all generated with AI. So
Nice, nice. Super,
if
super.
I wanted to generate, let me show you how this generation work. Okay, here I wanted to generate. So what happened?
Okay.
This is an empty scene.
Yeah.
Here you can read the scene. Okay, this is the scene.
Okay.
We have to generate the storyboard or pitch bible of it. Okay.
Okay.
Now this British anchor, I will put this anchor name as Akshay Kumar. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and let's see how it is generating. So first thing first is I have to generate the shorts. Okay, I will click on 3 and I will click on here, and it will generate shorts, 3
Okay.
shorts. Here if I wanted to generate an image, okay, so it has generated this image. Okay, suppose अगर मेरा मन हो रहा है कि इसमें the anchor, British news anchor, I will put Indian news anchor Akshay, okay,
Okay.
Akshay Kumar, okay, and age 31, sitting on a
Okay.
wooden pack, and anchor is wearing this and that. So anchor ने जो पहना है वो सब चीजें, and if I click on generate, it will generate that Akshay Kumar image. Akshay Kumar is giving the presentation, and you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
see
yeah.
if I
Right,
just
right. That is. Yeah.
click on in the big mode, it's look like
Right,
matching.
right, bro.
Okay, at
Yes,
the
I understand.
31 of age. सो
Yeah.
ये पूरा का पूरा मतलब जो भी चीजें चल रही है ना, यहाँ पे हम अगर कोई सीन दिखाएंगे ना आपको, तो यहाँ पे एमजे आ रहा है। एमजे ने हमने एमजे क्या है, यहाँ पे एमजे में हमने उसका नाम, कास्ट नेम डाल दिया जैंडिया, उसका एज डाल
Okay.
दिया,
Okay.
उसका
Okay.
डिस्क्रिप्शन डाल दिया। नेक्स्ट
Okay.
टाइम व्हेन इट जनरेट द इमेज, इट विल टेक दोस इन अ कंसिस्टेंटली। सो दिस इज वे when person download it also, okay, now we have the magic comes where they have different format of template, and they can
Okay.
download that
So
in a
nice.
bible format also,
Super, super,
okay,
bro. Nice.
and they can pitch it to, when they pitch it, now you other person have an extra weightage than the one who have, who don't have anything, who have only
Right, right.
screenplay, right?
Yeah.
So this is where Studiovity is really helpful. I
Super, bro.
think
Super. I
I
love this
have
feature, bro.
answered
It will be so
your
useful for
question.
online filmmakers. Real, bro. Really, it's so
Yeah,
useful.
yeah,
So
yeah.
useful. డైరెక్టర్స్ మన ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇచ్చే స్టూడియోవిటీ ఏని వాళ్ళ యొక్క ప్రీ ప్రొడక్షన్ లో ఏ రకంగా వాడుకోవచ్చు? సో బ్రదర్, టెల్ మీ, హౌ కెన్ డైరెక్టర్స్ యూస్ స్టూడియోవిటీ ఏఐ టు స్ట్రీమ్లైన్ ఫిల్మ్ ప్రీ ప్రొడక్షన్?
Though we have covered an use case for screenwriters and storyboard, okay, pitch
Yes.
bibles,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
there is a things, we have created an AI tools for directors also. When we go to the shooting script, okay, directors have to generate, pre-plan each and everything from budget to cataloging, what are the things that they are going to use, okay.
Yeah.
So if I select any screenplay demo script, okay, right from the script, if you give the script to Studiovity, okay, it will break down the script into scenes, okay, automatically. So now you
Super.
can see all those
See.
scenes, then you can also see all those characters,
Oh, cool. Nice, nice. Super.
okay. Not only that,
And
you can
also you can
see
see
sets.
the seat number. Yeah.
Yeah, scene number also. So these are the scene
So
number where Edwards is going to use, Jackie is going to use in these scenes. Okay. And then when we go to the summary, we will get all the summary report. Okay. And when we click on the next button, it will create a breakdown. Okay. I will show you one breakdown. Okay.
okay.
So this is the breakdown that look like. Okay. Where you have all
Okay.
the scenes. Okay. And on the right side, you can see all the departments. Okay.
Okay. Fantastic stuff. Okay.
So here it automatically tag MJ because it's know that MJ is a character where we, when we are doing the breakdown. Let's say I wanted to know कि scenes में क्या क्या element use होने हैं shooting के time पे. Okay. So now
Yeah.
there is a generate AI button. And it will scrap everything from the scene and tell you कि बॉस आपको बैग लगेगा, पिन्स लगेंगे, सूट लगेंगे,
Oh
टाई लगेगा.
wow. Super,
एस्ट्रास में
super.
आपको ये सब चीजें लगेंगी. ग्रीनरी में
Okay.
आपको ग्रीन्स चाहिए. ओके. लाइफ स्टॉक में आपको स्पाइडर चाहिए. लोकेशन में आपको ए लोकेशन चाहिए. ठीक है, लोकेशन होना चाहिए. मेकअप
Okay.
में ऐसा मेकअप चाहिए. साउंड भी पोस्ट
Oh.
प्रोडक्शन के टाइम पे क्या चाहिए, स्पेशल इफेक्ट
Okay.
इट विल
Okay.
गिव यू, vehicles it will
Nice,
give
nice.
you everything.
Super, 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 bro.
And you can also define the
Awesome.
quantity.
Okay.
And the moment you click on apply changes,
Mm-hmm.
it will color code each and everything. You can see
Oh
color code,
wow.
shoot
Super,
and all.
super.
Okay. And
Okay.
on the right side, you can see those things: makeup,
Mm.
costumes, extras, cast, each and everything.
Wow.
तो जो आपका
Bro, it
ब्रेकडाउन है
saves a
ना,
lot of time, brother.
या इस काम को करने में 1 मंथ से ज्यादा लगता था. ठीक है.
Literally,
Now
literally, really,
person
bro.
can do within 1 day,
Really, wow.
and it will
Super.
it will generate the report and send it. बॉस आपका काम हो गया, ये आपकी
Ah,
रिपोर्ट है.
super, super,
ठीक है,
super.
इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से. एंड आप ले लीजिए. ठीक है. अभी
Super, bro,
आपको
super.
दूसरी चीज दिखाता हूँ मैं. डिपार्टमेंट में जो भी हम एलिमेंट यहाँ पे बना रहे हैं ना, वो हम
Mm-hmm.
एलिमेंट डिपार्टमेंट में देख लेंगे.
Okay.
ठीक है. तो कॉस्ट्यूम वाले को कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट मिल जाएगा एंड दे कैन
Mm-hmm.
जनरेट द मास्क थिंग्स थ्रू एआई.
Okay. Are. Super, bro.
This is the cast, all the cast list.
Fast.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
And when person click on this cast, okay, they can
Mm-hmm.
see that on which scenes this cast is going to be used.
Oh, wow, wow. Super.
Okay.
And also
So
the general information of the cast. Okay. Nice,
yeah,
nice.
yeah,
Super,
cast
bro.
name, each and everything. So this is the thing that Studiovity have is helping directors, filmmakers across the world.
Super.
100,000 filmmakers and writers are using Studiovity. So yeah.
Nice, bro.
And then
Now the features, brother. Yeah.
yeah, and that's too. We are from India. Okay, we have the next
Yeah.
gen, AI thing, and world is using. People are
Super.
production out from Germany, Americans.
Mm-hmm.
Even Singapore schools,
Mm-hmm.
and from India. If you know about Annapurna, everyone know about
Yes, yes, yes.
Annapurna.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
studio and film institute.
Elaboration. Yes, yes.
Okay, no,
Yes, yes.
nobody who is in the filmmaking student. Okay, they know. Okay,
Yes, yes.
and they
Yeah,
are
brother.
also streamlined there, and educating studivity, and leveraging advanced AI tool in their teaching
Nice.
curriculum. So we have this budgeting also, task
Mm-hmm.
manager also. Even
Okay.
during the production, they can schedule the scenes with AI,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
automated. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
once they have know that this is the 14 day of shooting. Okay, they
Mm-hmm.
can generate the call sheet.
Mm-hmm.
एंड बॉस आपको इस दिन ये चीजें लगेंगी. ओके.
Mm.
एक पीडीएफ बना बना के दे कैन एक्सपोर्ट इट एंड दे कैन
Oh,
टेल बॉस
wow.
ये चीजें लगेंगी, ये आपकी कॉल शीट है.
Super,
एंड
super.
our each and everything is ready. So person can tag location depending on the way they did a breakdown, it will generate the call sheet. Yeah.
Oh, no, very nice, bro.
So
Now, can you
there are
about the budget getting?
Budget also, yeah. So when people see, producers see those budget, okay, there are two kind of things. One is the top sheet, okay,
Right.
and here
Okay.
in the top sheet they can see story. This is the expense, डायरेक्शन में इतना एक्सपेंस
Okay.
हुआ, कास्ट में हमने जो ऐड किया वो कास्ट का एक्सपेंस है, तो दिस इज एन
Right.
हाई लेवल बजट,
Oh,
okay,
super,
pre
super.
production,
Yeah,
production and production. And when they
for
wanted
sure.
to
Yeah.
see in a more granular level, then they go to detail,
Detail.
okay,
Okay.
and detail they can see this Spider-Man line item that we have had, okay.
Okay.
So this is like a small thing, like, but there are advanced functionality that is available. Not only that, मतलब हम लोग का मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन भी है एंड्रॉयड एंड iOS पे अवेलेबल है ना, तो
Oh,
वहां से भी वो
okay.
बजट की एंट्रीज कर सकते हैं. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग कैन बी मैनेज थ्रू एंड्रॉयड, iOS एंड वेब.
Super, super. Very nice. Awesome.
या
ఇప్పుడు మీరు స్టూడియో పెట్టి స్క్రీన్ రైటింగ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అన్నారు కదా, అది ఫ్రీ అవైలబుల్ గా ఉందా, బట్ ప్రైసింగ్ ఎలా ఉంది, ఒకసారి దాని గురించి చెప్పండి. బ్రో, కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ ద ప్రైసింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడియో విటీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్?
for the there are two plans. One is the premium plan, okay, where people can use Studiovity, leverage Studiovity AI up to certain extent for free, okay. But
ఓకే.
if they
ఓకే.
wanted to have a big project, they wanted to work on where they can pay, they can afford, and they wanted to go to the next level, okay, because there are certain AI credit that we allow them for free, okay.
ఓకే.
So they can work for a small project, है ना. But for big
ఓకే.
project we have two plans. One is the
ఓకే.
screenwriting plan for the writers especially, and another is the filmmaker plan that we called is AI production studio pro, okay.
ఓకే.
So
ఓకే.
जो Studivity का screenwriting plan है, that's only cost currently 200 rupees per month.
Wow, what are you talking, brother?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, really, man. It's it's
My
like
God, it is less than a tea, like.
yeah, it's less than an Starbucks tea, okay. And हमने इंडियन प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से रखा है, ठीक है. वी डोंट वांट इट बिकॉज राइटर्स हैव बिग इमेजिनेशन, they start with writing, okay. So I really think I am myself also a writer, okay. So
Oh, wow.
I write the plot, so it's really people can leverage AI, okay. Second, I showing you so many vast tools and all with AI storyboarding, breakdown, assistant direction,
Yeah.
how it helping directors, they can create budget and all, each and everything. Okay. For so it's an studio plan consisting of each and every team members. Okay. So अगर आपकी टीम ज़्यादा बड़ी है तो and you wanted to leverage AI in big production house, then the costing will increase. But as an independent filmmaker, it will cost something around 2000 rupees, less than 2000 rupees per month
Okay,
to do
wow.
each and everything, and they can pre-plan
Super.
each and everything, I think, within a month of time. So everything,
Mm.
if they want, they use for 3 months project, or 8 to 10 months project. And in an yearly we have 3 months discount also.
Yeah, yeah, I got
Yeah,
it. Super,
yeah.
super. Bro, is there any free version available to test
Yeah,
it,
free version
for the
people
audience?
people can use. 7 days there is a free version contain everything. They can use
Okay.
all the pro feature for 7 days for free, and there is a lifetime free things available on Studivity. Okay, so like
Okay,
up
wow.
to certain extent they can use lifetime. If they have a small project, they wanted to learn Studivity, they
Like,
wanted to explore
yeah,
Studivity.
yeah.
We
For
didn't
like
charge
short
upfront.
filmmakers,
Yeah,
like,
a small
yeah,
ads creation or something like
right, right,
small short films and all, they can
right,
work
right.
on Studivity.
Nice, nice, bro, nice.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is the,
bro,
I
go ahead.
think, best podcast. I feel like really good interacting with you, Steven, because
I'm,
the depth of this filmmaking, and you've been there for yeah.
thank you, brother. You made the software in a very affordable price for us. I really appreciate you, bro, and I really wish you all the best for all the whatever the journey you're going to take. And this AI software is gonna be crazy. The AI revolution is going
Yeah,
crazy,
yeah.
bro. Really, thank you, and also all the best for our future projects, brother.